Charming L-shaped Mediterranean home, courtyard, garden, and luxurious outdoor living spaces. The elegant L-shaped Mediterranean house stands as a true testament to timeless beauty, masterfully designed to harmonize sophisticated architecture with the serenity and beauty of nature. The home's distinctive L shape is not merely an architectural choice, but a strategic design element that optimizes the influx of natural light and establishes a captivating link between the interior and exterior realms. Nestled at the heart of the home is a beautiful courtyard garden, offering a peaceful retreat replete with lush greenery, vibrant blooms, and tranquil water features that beautifully encapsulate the calming essence of the Mediterranean. Each corner of this majestic abode is thoughtfully curated to serve as a focal decor point, meticulously drawing attention to its impeccable design elements while preserving an overall atmosphere of relaxed luxury. As you transition to the luxurious outdoor living space, you're met with an inviting embrace, beckoning you to revel in the outdoor haven with unparalleled style. The spacious terrace is a canvas of comfort and elegance, embellished with sumptuous seating that makes it an ideal setting for both intimate gatherings and serene reflection. Natural stone elements and soft, ambient lighting collaborate to craft an inviting atmosphere, harmoniously paired with a nearby garden that bursts with colorful, fragrant plants, perfect for those vital, tranquil moments of relaxation. This thoughtfully designed outdoor living area functions as an extension of the home, masterfully blending functionality and aesthetics to offer a seamless transition from inside to out. The Mediterranean charm of this exquisite home transcends its stunning architecture, capturing the essence of belonging and warmth through deliberate design choices. From rustic wooden beams that accentuate the ceilings to the timeless elegance of terracotta tiles underfoot, every detail radiates comfort and hospitality, transforming the house into a sanctuary of peace. Whether you find yourself hosting a plethora of guests or sharing a quiet evening with loved ones, this elegant dwelling ensures that every moment is imbued with a touch of magic. Its serene ambience, luxurious touches, and harmonious interplay of indoor and outdoor spaces create a perfect retreat. Here, one can truly unwind and savor life's simple pleasures, enveloped in an environment that epitomizes an ideal blend of charm and sophistication. The elegant L-shaped Mediterranean house is not just a place of residence, but a testament to living beautifully and thoughtfully, a genuine invitation to relish each day in an atmosphere of understated opulence.